Uno Harry Potter, how to play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image. When you play the Wild Sorting Hat card, choose another player, and that player must draw cards from the top of the draw deck until they draw a Gryffindor card, which is any Gryffindor student card in any color in numbers 1 through 4. In addition, this card is also a wild card, so whoever played it gets to pick the color that resumes play. If this card is the first card flipped at the beginning of the game, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any color on it. At the end of the game, each Wild Sorting Hat card left in an opponent's hand is worth 50 points.